Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Quote with Mousree. So it's me, Mousree. So today I made a pen animation. Not only one, friends. Not only one. It's more and many. Let's see. And here you can see a crystal called diamond, but in Scratch it's called the sprite's name is called crystal because there were many sprite costumes of the picture. So okay, maybe it's a bit okay. Now start. Wow, so it's a bit slow. I made it a bit slow because if it's fast, then it will be very fast. So well, there is some animations with the help of pen. Okay, you can see it's pentagon and it's very wonderful. Wow, it looks like a rose. Okay. Okay. There are many types, you know. It will be forever with any of the sprites. It's 360 degree. It's 1 to 360 degrees. So wow, it's wonderful. Wow, it's Thor. Really? It's a star? Wow. Scratch is really wonderful. Oh look, what was that? OMG, it's really making me illusion. Whoa, wonderful drawing, wonderful animation. You know that there is only one sprite. Okay, so when it will touch the edge, it will. Okay friends, now see how to make it. So for making it, you need this, only this costume called crystal, and well, what is happening? Okay, so for making this, you need this costume, crystal, or can I use this? I'm using only the diamond, and okay, you just only need this let's say this code to make this thing, this fun animation. So no. Okay. Okay. So guys, I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys, take care. See you later in another amazing video. Bye.